Hey everyone, welcome. Hey, I'm just getting some ingredients together for my next one-pan meal, so stick around. Oh my god, why have I never made this before? All right, here we go. So I'm making a one dish, no boil pasta bake. That is going to be delicious. So I'll add some noodles. The noodles I'm using is a new one to me. I picked these up yesterday. They're penne, protein plus noodles. I'm gonna add a jar of spaghetti sauce, any spaghetti sauce that you want. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of broth in here and mix it up a little bit so I get the whole jar of pasta sauce. I'm going to put some broth, or you can use water as well. I'll give this a good stir. Sometimes I just want something simple for supper, and this is just one dish I can toss in the oven and be done. Now it can be with or without meat. Today I'm adding meat. So I have already pre-cooked 2 chicken breasts that are buffalo style. Just gonna toss those in. And I get these at Costco. They're really spicy, but they're really good. Give that a mix. Yeah, you can add like ground beef, you can add ground turkey, ground chicken, just regular chicken breast cut up. You can add whatever you want. You know what? This is a 5-ingredient meal, but I'm actually gonna add some garlic. I lied, I'm gonna add onion powder as well. Gotta have my spices everywhere. I'm just free pouring this. Whatever spices you want, just add them. Give it another stir. I can already tell this is going to be delicious. It's pretty simple, but it has all the good stuff in it. And we are going to add the cheese. Gotta have cheese on something like this. I think I have like 1.5 cups here. I'll put the recipe below with all the ingredients so you guys can make this for your family. This would be a perfect meal to make with your kids, or in my case, grandkids. They can do most of the work actually. Just gonna spread this around a little bit. Now I'm gonna put this in a 375 oven for 45 to 50 minutes, and we shall return. Oh, you guys, what have we made? Oh my God, this is the laziest, most delicious no boil pasta bake I have ever made. This turned out amazing. Of course, the chicken is already cooked. The vegetables, or not vegetables, the noodles are perfectly cooked right now. The cheese is amazing as always. And this is such a huge dish for me. I'm gonna be eating this like for the rest of the week. Very hot. Mm. Oh my God. Why have I never made this before? You guys, look at this. Everything is just perfect. Everything is absolutely perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, and now I'm going to enjoy eating this. I'll see you in the next video. You got to make this. And as always, thank you so much for watching.